doing that?
Oh my God. Oh, did it get on you? Let me see your face. Let me see your face. Oh my God. Okay, come on. Don't step in it. Don't eat. Don't step in it. Okay, jump. Jump. Ooh.
Bruh.
Oh, that's so. It's milk. Is that milk? Stop doing it. I see you.
You got, huh?
Stop.
It wasn't me, bro. I just killed the bird for you. It was 2 seagulls. It was 2
No, you
seagulls.
said it's milk. What is that?
It was 2 seagulls, bro.
Okay, you're going to be able to fall off that damn roof. It's all in my hair.
Yeah, you got bird. Yeah, the seagulls got your ass.
You get on my nerves.
The damn seagulls.
Why would you do
I
that?
didn't try to get your ear. I tried to get you right in the back of the neck, right here, right here. Splat, right here. Splat, right there.
You get on my nerves.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Get your shoes, Zoe, so we can go in the house. You coming to clean all this up.
I'm not cleaning it. What happened? Oh!
It's everywhere.
Ugh. Alright. Alright, gang, gang. We got it in. Ah!
Gang, gang.
In the bushes.
Stop! I just washed my hair.
Huh?
You're an idiot.
I can't hear you from up here.
Come on, Noah.
Baby.
You know what?
Baby.
Get your daddy in.
Baby.